Hey everyone, it's your friend Dave. Did you know that a quiet afternoon can be transformed into a fun crafting adventure? It's true. Sometimes when it's rainy outside or I've just played too many video games, my mom gets this look, and I know it's time to get creative. Crafting is super fun, and guess what? It's good for your brain too. It's like a superpower, making you extra focused and awesome at problem solving. Who knew that making things with your hands could be so cool? So, get ready to dive into a world of colors, textures, and imagination, because today we're going on a crafting adventure that will banish boredom and unleash your inner artist. Let's get crafting. Are you ready for some super fun and easy crafts that will make your afternoon awesome? We're talking about crafts so simple, even your little brother or sister can join in on the fun. And the best part? These crafts use stuff you probably already have at home, like paper, glue, and maybe even some googly eyes. Crafting is like magic. You take simple things and turn them into something amazing. Plus, it's a great way to spend time with your family and friends. Imagine the look on your parents' faces when they see the awesome creations you've made. So, put on your creative caps, grab your crafting supplies, and let's get started. We're about to embark on a crafting adventure that's fun, easy, and totally boredom-busting. Have you ever been stuck inside on a rainy day with nothing to do? It's like the day just drags on forever. And then you hear those dreaded words from your parents. Go find something quiet to do. Ugh, but don't worry my friends, I've got the perfect solution. We're going to turn that frown upside down with some super duper quiet and engaging crafts. These crafts are so much fun, you won't even realize you're being quiet and well behaved. Get ready to say goodbye to boredom and hello to a world of creativity and imagination. It's time to transform those restless moments into crafting masterpieces. Chapter 3. Let's start our crafting adventure with a classic paper plate animals. Grab a paper plate, some markers, crayons, or paint, and let your imagination run wild. Will you create a silly monkey, a roaring lion, or maybe even a magical unicorn? Next up, we're going to make some super cool toilet paper roll rockets. These rockets are out of this world. Just decorate an empty toilet paper roll with markers, construction paper, and anything else you can find. Don't forget to add some flames at the bottom, and for our final easy peasy craft, we're going to make some adorable pom-pom caterpillars. Just glue some colorful pom-poms together in a line, add some googly eyes, and your caterpillar is ready to crawl. Chapter 4. Now it's time to put your creativity to the test with the Mystery Box Challenge. Ask a grown-up to put some random craft supplies in a box, like pipe cleaners, buttons, or glitter. Then without looking, reach into the box and pull out a few items. Now here's the challenge. Use the items you pulled out to create something amazing. It could be anything you can imagine. A robot, a monster, a funny hat. The possibilities are endless. The Mystery Box Challenge is a super fun way to get your creative juices flowing. You never know what you'll create, and that's what makes it so exciting. Chapter 5. Wow, we made some seriously awesome crafts today. We learned how to make paper plate animals, toilet paper roll rockets, pom-pom caterpillars, and we even took on the Mystery Box Challenge. Remember, crafting isn't just about making things. It's about having fun, using your imagination, and maybe even making a little bit of a mess. Don't worry, we'll clean up afterward. So the next time you're feeling bored or restless, grab some craft supplies and let your creativity shine. You'll be amazed at what you can create. Thanks for crafting with me today. I had so much fun, and I hope you did too. If you try any of these crafts, be sure to share pictures of your creations in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun activities, challenges, and adventures. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay creative, stay curious, and keep on crafting. Bye.